Let's go! We have now arrived in Estoi. We're gonna go visit the, like, is it a castle or a palace? A palace. We're gonna go visit that and just walk around the town too and see what's about here. There is a very beautiful church here, which we can't go inside because it's closed. And then we're going to the palace. There is the pretty church. Oh, I got a lamppost in the way. Yeah, the doors are closed. And then if we walk down there, there's the gate to the palace. So we're gonna walk over that way. Very windy. It's chilly. I like the color, like the red color and everything. Yeah. I guess we should go down that way. Okay. Like that's where the view is. You like the view? There she is. We just have to walk all the way down. Here she is. Montage time. People go through the gate that I said was locked, and then suddenly it was locked again. So I think they just weren't there. So we have to find a way to go all the way around. We're climbing these steps, but at least we get the glutes going. But we think it's on the other side of here, or at least I think that. Although has no idea where we're going. Okay, here's another side to it, but we don't know if this is the entrance, so we'll just go around in circles until we figure it out. We found it. It's on the other side of it. Oh, we went all the way around. The ceiling. This is the door to the bathroom. I can't see. Yeah. Yeah. A waterfall. Not too much out here, but how cute is this little garden. I love the little roof up there too. Oh, the ceiling's beautiful. I mean, you kind of need to be this way for it. Look at outside. And look, there's like a pool. They have like a spa here too. But we're not going to that, sadly. I always feel like I need to be really quiet. Got the piano. It's very pretty though. Just a new detail everywhere you look. Look at this. Oh, this lady there. Details. The ceiling's not as cool, but pretty. Let's look out the window view. Wow. Stunning. Walking into the garden now. Go here. That's cute, the colorful windows. Look at that. Cute. And then we can enter the garden. See Xenia up there. Oh, look how pretty. It really reminds me of like the Grand Budapest Hotel, you know? Welcome to my crib. This is my new house. I just moved in. Thought I'd show you around. Let's take a tour. Imagine. They have a lot of historic pieces here. Meh, you know? But then this is really pretty too. The ceiling. Stunning. We think we've seen everything, so now we're gonna leave. We've gotten all our photos, all my videos, so heading out now. Aren't we matching today? Look at the donkey! Or is that a horse? That's funny. We are now in Olhao, so I don't know where we're actually going yet, but we're just gonna go to the end, I guess, and we'll see where we end up here. And we are now at the beach side here. You sure you don't want a jacket? You might get a jacket. It's quite windy. But now we're gonna walk along the streets and and explore a little bit. I'm not sure what there is to see here because we just kind of said let's go here. So yeah. We have come to a restaurant. It's a little bit windy, but we sat in the sun. It's called Horta. So I had the rosemary and iced tea, and she's still deciding what she wants. So we decided this is what Zinga's getting, the special black pork slices, and I'm getting a mesh which is clams. It's the meal we're gonna get. It's a cute little view though. Sort of traffic. Got our drinks, the best to exist. Our glass of wine. We didn't realize you had to pay for parking, so I ran over to pay for parking because we're like, oh my god. It was only €2 for like 3 hours. We're gonna stay here for a while. But we didn't get a ticket, so it's okay. But the thing is, like, we already walked across the street before the parking meter, so we just didn't even notice. But it's okay. We got it, we're good. No ticket for us. Here we are, we got my clams, and then look at Ozinga's, that's huge. I'm gonna steal her egg though, but this is our lunch. Yum yum. Time to dig in. Oh my god, they just brought us bread, and also she has patatas with hers. Oh my god, that's huge. You can eat all that. Time to dig into one of these clams. That's good. The juices?
Oh, the juicy. The bread
so
is
good. Delicious. I'm gonna eat this in like 5 seconds. Look how cute these little boats are. We're now walking off the fullness of us. And I just bought like 3 little souvenirs just because they were like a deal for 3. And then that way I'm gonna bring them to Germany and Italy with me too, so I can give them to my friends. Just a little like Portugal souvenir. We're just walking around the streets now, exploring. We gotta go in every shoe store. Here's the beautiful church. Look how nice that is. Stunning. Take a picture. Oh, and they walked in the way. Thank you. Of course. That's so spooky. Like, why? That's kind of creepy. In there, there's just like legs. Do you see it?
legs?
Yeah, I can see the legs. Just totally like legs.
Yeah. You know that, or they do some kind of festival, and the people they like if they have a broken leg, they give a leg to the saint so she can help them.
Oh. Now you know why there's legs in there. And then this is the other side of the church. It's so pretty up here though. Stunning. Get that photo action. Let's see how she's doing. Wow, you go girl. Struggling? I think you do, no, 1 time. Not 2 times. Yeah, there you go. Oh, cute. Okay, now it's on the other side. There you go. This is
fun of me.
Yes. We got our desserts. I got a mini bola and look at hers. Is that, what is it? I don't even know.
Oh, this is almond.
Oh man.
You gotta have a piece.
Oh, a tiny bite.
You eat it. More.
Okay. It's okay. I don't like care for almond too much. I'm excited to eat this, so I'm gonna go chow this down. There's a seat. It's so cute, this little chair to have our desserts. So we just came to this church, and this church is where she got married, you know, like almost 60 years ago. It's windy now. So we just went inside for the first time. There's maybe a couple clips I took, so here's those. But yeah, here it is. Should we take a photo? We have now finished our day, and we are back. So that is the end of this vlog. Bye!